Hey guys, welcome back to my second channel. So this is just going to be a quick update on my next product review, and it's going to be on this BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 Dashcam battery pack made with lithium iron phosphate. And I can't tell you how excited I am to finally get my hands on one of these, because I've been following their development since 2018 when I first got into dash cams. And for the past year I've been begging Brosa from BlackboxMyCar to send me one for test and review, and I think I finally wore him down. So I want to give a huge thanks to Brosa for sending this out. So like I said, when I first got into dash cams in 2018 and I first learned about these, I didn't understand why they existed, and I didn't understand why I couldn't use my USB power bank to run my dash cam when the car's not running, because these power banks cost $10 and these battery packs are really expensive. This one is $400, and I just couldn't understand it. So the very first video that I watched was from Ari at Vortex Radar, and he's got a video called Dedicated Dashcam Batteries versus USB Power Banks, and I'll put a link to that video down below. And it's basically the #1 best video on YouTube explaining the differences between lithium iron phosphate dedicated battery packs and lithium ion and lithium polymer USB power banks. So this PowerCell 8, this was released in September 2021, so about a year ago, and it's already been reviewed by 6 professional dash cam reviewers, and I'll put a link to all of these videos down below. It's been reviewed by BlackboxMyCar, of course, East Coast Jeep SRT, Dial Too Fast, Retro Car Guy 530. Got to give a shout out to him. He's probably got the best review on this thing. And Everyday Reviews, and John from US Dash Camera. And I just got done, and I watched all of those videos when they came out last year, and I just watched them just again to refresh my recollection. Because what can I say about this thing that's already been reviewed 6 times? I don't think I'm going to have any new insight on this product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to reiterate the differences between lithium ion USB power banks and lithium iron phosphate dash cam battery packs, and go over their pros and cons. And then I went through the comment section on all of these videos that I went through, and I keep seeing the same questions over and over again. So I want to go over these 5, or I want to try to answer these 5 questions. Why spend $400 on a dash cam battery pack when a $10 USB power bank can do the same thing? And why do lithium iron phosphate batteries exist, and how are they different from lithium ion and lithium polymer? And why are they so expensive? Why not install a second regular car battery and a battery isolator? And why not make your own DIY lithium iron phosphate battery pack? And then I've been playing with this thing for the past 2 weeks, and I've already got a list of things that an improvement wish list of things that I would like to see in the second generation of this product. Because Blackview and Thinkware just announced that they're going to be releasing a direct competitor to this one. And what I mean by that is, right now this PowerCell 8 has the highest capacity on the market at 96 watt-hour for dashcam battery packs. And Blackview and Thinkware are going to be releasing the same 96 watt-hour capacity in the next coming months. So I have a feeling the folks that made these, the BlackboxMyCar and eGen, they're going to have to ramp up and improve this thing to be competitive with Blackview and Thinkware. And I've got some dash cameras here. I've got a Viofo A129 Pro, a 129 Plus, an A229 Duo, and the A119 Mini. And with any luck, I should have the new 4K A139 Plus that's going to be released in a couple of weeks here to do some runtime tests. And I've already discovered some interesting things about runtimes, and I've got my testing equipment here that's really going to help me out test this thing out. I've got a DC variable power supply, I've got my Fluke multimeter, and I've got an amp clamp here and a temperature gun here to check temperatures. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to be testing this thing out for the next couple of weeks, and then I'm going to put the full review on my main channel. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.